Hi, welcome back to the channel, and so today I'm going to start restoring some new wheels that I got for the move. So I picked them up a little while ago, and they're basically not too bad a nick, but I'll turn the camera around soon. But we're going to restore them. They're going to become the track set, so I'm going to put some nice semi-slicks. We'll move them over, and they should look really good. They're a little bit wider, but I'll go through them right now. Alrighty, so as you can see, I've already started, but these are the wheels. I've been masking them up, so they've got a chrome bit. Well, it's like a polished aluminium lip that goes around them. Obviously, it needs repolishing, but because it looks a bit like that. But yeah, so I don't want to paint that, so I've cleaned that up, put some tape over to protect that on these three. I've just got this one to do left. Then I'm going to crack the sandblaster out. We're going to sandblast all this clean. Then we'll paint with some primer. And then I'm still a little undecided as to what color I want to go. So I'll have to decide. But for now, we'll finish taping up this one. And then we can sandblast them. Alrighty, so we've got all the four wheels masked up, ready to go. I actually just quickly went and masked up the valves, the valve seals. Probably won't keep them, but in case I do, I thought I'd better protect them. I think other than that, they're ready to go. They've got this mat out to catch all the sand, got the sandblaster ready, so let's begin sandblasting. Alrighty, so I'm officially covered in sand, but that's all four wheels nicely sandblasted. They turned out really good, so I'll probably, depending on whether I have time on the weekend, I'll get them painted. It's getting a bit too dark. Well, it still looks bright, but it's getting in later in the afternoon. But yeah, I'm really happy with that. So they're ready for primer, and we'll give them a quick prime, and then we'll have to pick a color. Hi guys, and so next day. Got the wheels up on the horses here. Well, you can't actually see it, but I'll just show you. But basically, we're just going to blow them off. We'll give them a bit of a prep wash, and we'll put some primer on. Still undecided of the color, but at least if we get them in primer, then they're sealed, and then we can go from there, I guess. So I'm just going around. There's a few little dents here and there around the wheels. I'm not too worried because they're cast wheels, so obviously it's going to have a bit of a rougher effect. But I'm just going around with a bit of a file and cleaning them up a little bit here and there, just to help out. But yeah, so just a quick rub. over, and then should be good to go. Okay, so nearly ready to paint. It's the next day. I've just gone and prep washed all of these, so they're pretty much ready to go. They turned out pretty good, so I'll just spray paint over. So yeah, so I've just tipped the well, as you can see over there, the paint into the paint gun. Should be enough, hopefully. But we'll let that dribble a little bit more out if I can get that to balance again. And then we'll get painting and see what this color looks like on the wheels. How we going? So we're back out with the wheels, and it's time to clean up those edges. I was going to polish them using these products here, but I've decided that I'm going to go a brushed look, because these ones here already have a rough brushed, which would be hard to get a really nice polished finish out of. You'd have to spend a lot of time, and I quite like the brushed look. So the way I'm going to try and achieve this is I've got some Scotch-Brite here. You put WD-40 on the Scotch-Brite and the wheel, and you just go in a straight motion all the way around, and it'll turn out kind of like that. Obviously we'll go over that a bit more, but anyway, we'll get into these wheels. Alrighty, so basically this week's been full of rain, so it's been a little bit hard to paint, but it's Saturday and we've got some sun, so that's really good. So I've prep washed these twice and degreased them just to make sure I got all the WD-40 off. Hopefully I did. We'll find out, I guess, but they're looking pretty good. Obviously there's a few little, like, it's like they didn't come up perfect, but they came up a lot better than they were. So I'm happy with them. From a distance they look good. So I will put some clear coat on them and then they're done.